Welcome once again to CookingaRound's channel. Welcome. Today I have again one of my favorite dishes. What is it? Portuguese-style chorizo and chicken pasta. Just out of this world. Just take a look at this. If I had one dish that I had to or would have to live off, it would be this one. It's full of flavor. You know, the chorizo just blends in with the chicken and, you know, this macaroni, and it just makes it one awesome dish. Let me show you how to put this together. Grab yourself a big pan and add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and let's get that heat up. Now let's grab 2 medium chopped chicken breasts. Let's get the pan up into high and let's move the chicken around. Add some fresh ground pepper, but add as much as you like. Okay, the chicken is going for a few minutes, and now we're going to add 1 and about half a cup of fresh mushrooms. You can add any type of mushrooms you like. And now let's add 1 medium red pepper chopped up, and to give it that flavor, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, and I would like you to mince them. And now let's start to blend it and mix it all together. I'm taking 1 medium chorizo size and I'm chopping it all up into little cubes like this, and this way it will release the flavor more into the dish. If you want to put more, just add more. Okay, now bring the heat down to low. Cover it and let this go for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, we're back. It's been about 12 minutes and the chicken has been cooked right through. You can check it with a fork and knife if you want. Okay, let's bring it up a notch. Let's add about 1 teaspoon of basil. Dried basil I'm using, but you can use any herbs that you would like. So this part we are basically done. I'm just playing with it to show off a little bit and to get you hungry to make this dish. Trust me, you're going to love this dish. Let's bring it even closer to even drive you more crazy. Trust me, when the chorizo blends in with the pasta and the chicken and the vegetables, it is going to be great. Now have a pot of boiling water, and please do not use too much salt in it because the chorizo has salt already. So now I'm using this type of macaroni, but it's a larger type of macaroni. I like using this one because, you know, the juices go right into the middle of it and makes it really good. So I'm using about 500 grams of the pasta. Now cover it and follow the instructions, and I want al dente. Okay, when the pasta is done, drain it very well, and now just scoop it into your dish just like this. What could be simpler? Now let's stir it and move it and mix it. Oh, I'm really starting to get hungry now. Okay, here comes the best part. I want you to add about 1 cup of cream. It can be lighter cream or heavy cream. That depends on you. Now I want you to increase the heat to medium-high and keep mixing. Now here comes the response of the response. I'm adding 1.5 cups of mozzarella. And I didn't grate it, I just chopped it up. But now I want you to add it slowly. Add a little bit like this, don't add too much. Now I want you to start stirring like this very gently to get the mozzarella to melt. Now here we go. I want you to add a little bit more. I want you to start stirring very gently, and guess what? Add the rest in and just see how this is looking. You know, I have to stop this video because I have to eat it right now. Get a large oven-proof dish, and I want you to add a little olive oil to the bottom, just a little bit, and I want you to move it all around just like this. Now take your mixture and just put it right into the dish just like this. What could be simpler? And just move it around and get it as even as possible. Now take a little bit more mozzarella, say about 1/3 of a cup, and I would like you to put it over the top just like this and just spread it around. Don't worry about missing places because it will melt. Now add it into a preheated oven, say about 350 degrees, and let it go until the cheese is melted and you can see that it's bubbling on the bottom of the dish. or till it's a little golden brown on top. Okay, it's been about 25 minutes according to my time. Look at this dish. It's absolutely outstanding. Everybody's going to love you for it, your family, your friends. And do I hear the words party time dish? I think that's coming. And now to finish it off and make it look absolutely beautiful and wonderful, add some chopped parsley. Add as much as you desire. Well, here we go. It is done. Please serve it hot. And I'm going to show you how this thing is served. When you pull it out, you see all the cheese and the chorizo and the pasta and the cream. I know it's out of this world. So all I can say now is thank you for allowing me to show you this video. Hope to see you on my other videos. And once again, it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.